and welcome back to my channel. The weather is changing. We've got monsoon, we've got summer barbecues, picnics. So I'm going to make a 15-minute delicious snack that everyone's going to love. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So for these crispy sweet corn pakoras, fritters, whatever you want to call it, you can use frozen sweet corn. Though sweet corn is in season, so you can use fresh as well. I have got a pack of frozen sweet corn, so I'm just going to use that. You can double the quantity or half it. It depends how many people you're cooking for. So I'm using 400 grams of frozen sweet corn. I'm going to add some boiling water to this, just enough to cover the corn. I'm just going to boil it for 2 minutes and then drain it out. So it's come to a boil and I have cooked this for 2 minutes. Now I am going to turn the heat off and then drain this, and you can use it straight away or you can let it cool down for 5 minutes. It's up to you. While I move on to the next step of prepping the sweet corn, I've just got some sunflower oil in a small kadhai. I haven't got too much, and it's not hot. I've just turned it on. I'm going to reduce the heat and let it heat up slowly, and while that is heating up slowly, I'm going to prep the sweet corn. Moving back to the sweet corn, I am going to prep some things in here. Starting with 2 garlic cloves. I've peeled them. They go in the pestle and mortar. Once these are smashed, I'm going to add a little handful of the sweet corn, crush it up a little bit. So I want to crush half the sweet corn. There's still half more left. So because we used 400 grams, 200 can be mashed. It doesn't have to be exact, roughly. Don't have to measure it. You can do this in a blender or a mixer or just chop it by hand, whatever is convenient to you. You can add the rest. I'm going to take some fresh coriander, just a handful, some fresh dill and 1 green chili, and I'm just going to roughly chop this up. If you have other fresh herbs right now growing in your garden, or you've got some in the fridge, you can use some other herbs too. And I've got 1 medium-sized onion, and I don't need to finely chop it. I'm just going to roughly chop this up. Open them up. Just a quick mix. Oh, it smells so fresh. Half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon chili, half a teaspoon chaat masala. Actually, make it 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 egg goes in. Now, if you don't want to use the egg, then you can just add a splash of milk and keep it vegan. So this is just going to act as glue. Just make it slightly moist, and then I'm going to add the flowers. So you can weigh it, but because I've got my tablespoon handy, I'm just using the tablespoon. I don't want too much flour, just want a little bit to help bind this. So that was 4 tablespoons of plain flour, which is all purpose, and then I've got 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which is going to help stick this even more, and that to me is looking pretty good. Time to fry. We are ready to fry. I've got, like I said, vegetable oil. You could use rapeseed oil, whatever oil you use for deep frying. The mixture is ready. I've got a little plate with some kitchen roll to take these out when they're ready. And now look at the lovely mix. So you can Just be very, very careful when you're frying these, obviously, because I make them as pakoras. So you want to have small little portions. And because of the corn flour and egg we've added, they should not kind of split and spread. They will stay together because of those two things. Now fry until crispy and beautifully golden. You know these are going to be super crispy. You can just tell with all the corn and the onions. Oh, lovely. So that didn't take long. It's looking beautiful. And the clouds have come out and it looks like it might rain any second. So that could not be timed better. I'm just going to fry one more round because that's not going to be enough, is it, for anyone? And rain's just about to come. Dip is just some mayo and homemade chili garlic chutney. The recipe's on the channel. If you want to make it at home, I always have it on the go right now. Here we go. Oh yes, the good thing is that they taste insanely delicious when they are hot, but this one's cooled down from the first batch and actually it tastes delicious even when at room temperature, which makes it perfect for your picnics and your travel and monsoon and lunchbox. Whatever you do, give this a go. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back for another new recipe very soon.